According to an article published by National Geographic, author Cristina Nunez says, forests still cover about 30% of the world's land area, but they are disappearing at an alarming rate. Between 1990 and 2016, the world lost 502,000 square miles of forest, an area larger than South Africa.
And what does all this mean to you? And what will we do to address global deforestation?
For us, the answer hits very close to home.
What happened in Cedar Rapids on August 10, 2020, was called a derecho, a term for sustained straight-line winds.
Winds of 112 miles per hour were recorded in Lynn County. Driving through Cedar Rapids after the storm, you could see whole buildings collapsed and trees smashed through roofs and windows. Total tree canopy loss in this area is estimated at 65%.
Those living here witnessed this devastation firsthand.
The other thing I saw is in my work with Feed Iowa First and delivering fresh produce to people in the community was just the vast devastation that we go to many housing complexes to deliver food, and some of them just look like doll houses. The whole side of the building was ripped off, the roof was off. Within a matter of days, people were camping in tents, they were cooking outside over open fires.
The derecho that hit Iowa can be viewed as a natural deforestation event. However, there are many other examples of deforestation around the world.
Land is routinely cleared and degraded for agriculture and the production of wood and paper products.
Deforestation can be combated in many different ways.
Consider buying from organizations that donate or plant trees with some of the proceeds.
You can also donate to organizations whose entire purpose is to plant more trees in the world.
So the professor just said, we just need to make it cool to do the right thing. And I think that's really important, is that if people start making changes and talking about the changes they're making and why, I think there's an impetus for social change, right?
For us, planting this tree that we named Marathon not only furthers the UNESCO goal of planting trees to save the environment, but this tree also represents the first steps that we are taking to rebuild our community here in Iowa.